What are we doing here? This. But this was just too much. See what I mean? How can I put this?
3 words. Fabulous.
Perfection. Blech. But hey.
Give it here, I'll take it.
I didn't want to gatekeep.
You know I wouldn't trip.
So unnecessary, but so necessary. Love it, love it, love it. Now I'm ashy. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Now, you guys know my obsession with Marvel. I don't even have to speak about it. But second to that is Travertine. Love it.
The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture.
It's been on trend for a while. Big companies like RH and Crate & Barrel have included Travertine in their collections, but I truly feel like Travertine is classic and timeless. At least in my house. It looks amazing everywhere. Bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, you name it. So I found some pieces in Homegoods, tjmaxx, Marshalls, and Amazon, and had to share. I was so excited when I found this first piece. Befuddled, to say the least. But FedEx was a courier, and they're the worst. I have had countless horrible experiences with them. Like, I don't understand. It's been anything from them saying they delivered a package but didn't, only to deliver it the next day. What? I've even had my packages opened, like legit the box slit open, like with a box cutter. It wasn't like it just tore on accident, like they were trying to see what was in there. What are we doing here? Now, because this piece was fragile and taking into account everything I just told you about my experience with FedEx, I just knew I had to order multiples, okay? I legit ordered 11. Yes, you heard right, 11. And I kid you not, 8 of them came, you guessed it, broken. Okay, so I found these Travertine bowls online and I ordered 11 because I just know how FedEx does. Yeah, all these are broken. I got a notification saying my package was delivered, so I went to the door and I could hear the pieces rattling in the box. And I'm just thinking, but we did manage to get 3 good ones. Here is the chosen one. So good. Now, this bowl was only $30. Yes, $30. And I actually got it online. I got it on marshalls.com and I ordered some from tjmaxx.com. I shared it over on my Instagram stories when they came in, and I'll let you guys know the link. I will link it down below. But like I told y'all earlier, and like I said in my Instagram stories, if you only order one, order at your own risk, because like I said, 8 of these came broken out of the 11 that I ordered. Now, I was this close to ordering one I saw on Etsy. It was $160. I didn't think that was bad, but I'm so glad I waited. That bowl was only 10 inches in diameter and this one is 12. Like, I still can't believe the piece that this is. I will give you guys a close-up on the side of it. Close up. Now, another reason why I ordered so many of these is because it's stone. And we all know stone is unique. You'll never find it twice the same way if it's natural. Like I told you guys, only 3 weren't broken. And the other 2, they were just... Let me show you one of them up close. Now, I have told you guys that I love holes, I love porous pieces, but this was just too much. See what I mean? Like, it's still beautiful, but I just feel like this is way too rough around the edges for me. It doesn't look refined. It was just a lot. I'll show all 3 of them on the side somewhere so you can kind of see close up, but I will only be keeping this one. I feel like it has the perfect amount of imperfections. It only has one little hole over here. It's just way better crafted than the other two. The edges actually look like someone who knew what they were doing had their hands on this. All the spaces I see travertine in come in this kind of form. It's not super rough, it's refined but not, if that makes sense. I love that this is so subtle, but it's such a statement at the same time. And I can literally sit this anywhere and it'll do the work for me. It can also serve as a catch-all to catch all my things. Love it. Next up is a console table. And how can I put this?
3 words. Fabulous.
Jake Arnold, one of my favorite designers, actually did a collab with Crate & Barrel recently, and he had this cute little drink table, side table. It was travertine. It had these black iron legs, and I just thought the contrast was beautiful. Stunning. So naturally, when I saw the console table, I snagged it because it had that travertine, it had that black, that contrast. Ugh. Perfection. They actually had 3 sizes. I grabbed the smallest one so I can put it next to my sofa. When I tell you, it gives like, I think it was RH that I saw it at. I will put up a picture on the side so you guys know what I'm talking about. But it really gives that wraparound, built-in shelving feel to my sofa. It's almost perfectly level to the arm of my couch, and it doesn't take up too much space. I love that it gives me space to decorate and I love that it gives me space to decorate, and it also serves as an extra surface in my living room where you can put drinks, snacks, your phone, whatever. So that makes it practical and pretty. Our favorite things. It was $100, but I got a little discount because it has like a small crack in it. And let me just say, Homegoods love that little 10%, ain't it? Like, it doesn't matter how broken something is, how damaged something is. They'll come out, they'll take a look, pretend that they're thinking about what's a fair price, only to say we can take 10% off. But hey.
You know what? Give it here. I'll take it.
So I got it for $90. It's made by Nautica. It's made by Nautica in case you guys go searching. And yeah. So this next piece, I don't know if I'm going to keep, but I didn't want to gatekeep.
You know I wouldn't trip.
I don't like keeping secrets from you guys, right? So it is this travertine vase. So I got it in the mail and
Hated it.
I wanted to love it more than I do, okay? It was $49.99. I also got this on, I think it was tjmaxx.com. I was just expecting more. I was expecting it to be like the ones I saw on Pinterest. And you're probably thinking, Andrea, they showed you the picture online. Yeah, but the pictures suck. I'm just gonna be honest. They don't photograph very well on the website. Everything looks very, yeah. And judging by the bowl that I got, my bowl didn't look anything like the one that's on the website. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a chance. I ordered a few. Of course, a few of them came broken. But it's just, it's not working for me. I don't know. I don't know if it's the little yellowish tones it has. I don't know. Maybe I'll need to put some florals or branches or something in this to see if I like it. You guys let me know down below. Hey, that rhymed.
Bars.
Let me know in the comments if I should keep this, if it's worth it. I really wanted this to work, but y'all, I just don't know. And $50, it's just not cheap. Okay, let's be honest. So sadly, this might be going back. But in case it's your cup of tea, consider the tea spilled. Now I'm ashy. On to some Amazon finds. This tray was a must. I mean, hello. This was only $25 and I wanted something to kind of display my everyday perfumes, maybe to replace the tray that I have my soaps on in my kitchen. And she was it. I mean, simple, but statement, and oh so stunning. I mean, the little feet on here are even travertine. Love it. It came with these little I don't even know what you call these things, where it doesn't scratch up your countertops or whatever surface you're putting it on. So I love that. Hand wash only. And this doesn't look cheap. This doesn't give me, oh, you just had some extra travertine tiles and you called it a tray and put it online for sale. No. I love the imperfections that are on this. And like I said, it really looks handcrafted down to the feet. They even squared off the feet. So cute. Oh my gosh. Love it, love it, love it. And it's not shiny, which can look kind of tacky. It has this matte finish. I just love this for me. I'll link it down below. Now, I will warn you, today when I checked, they did still have them, but they have jacked the price up. But you guys know how that is. Add it to your wish list or your bag, whatever you're gonna look at periodically, just to see when that price goes back down, because this is a no-brainer. Okay. And last but not least is a piece that was recommended by Sandra over on Instagram. I love her. I love her aesthetic. I have mentioned her time and time again here on the channel, and she never disappoints with her links and her roundups. Okay, so make sure you guys give her a follow. But it is this so unnecessary but so necessary pen holder. Like, how cute is this? It is travertine, of course, on brand for the video, and stunning. They did not skimp out on the quality of this product. Oh, you can even put makeup brushes in this. That'll be super cute. But I love that it's very different. It's not your typical just sit flat on a desk pen holder. It actually pivots or swivels. I don't really know what terminology I would use for this, but it sits at an angle and it like spins. I'll try to show you on the side what it does, but I just thought that was so neat. And also, if I don't want to use it as a pen holder, I can do my favorite thing and flip it over and use it as a book topper or just like a shelf filler, decor filler, whatever filler. So dope. It even looks good on top of this tray. Give a little travertine monochromatic look. Love that. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you guys can get your hands on some of these pieces and that they don't come broken. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,